Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Princess Hello Kitty, so let's get started. To draw this pretty Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And I'll come right across and do the same thing. So pretty wide, so about right here. Now that the two ovals in, I'm going to come in here and just give it a little highlight right here. So I'm just going to draw a circle and shade everything else in. So the original Hello Kitty doesn't have a highlight. So if you don't like it, you can just shade it in all black. And same thing here. Just I'll add some sparkle. And of course, my eyes are a lot bigger too, compared to the original. So this is just to inspire you however you like to draw your Hello Kitty. Okay, so I have the eyes in. Now I'm going to come to the center in between the eyes and draw a little oval for the nose. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve and connect it. Tiny little nose. Then from there, I'm going to start to draw Hello Kitty's face. So I'll come to the top of my eye, come out, and I'm just going to remember I'm going to draw this kind of flattish curve around. So it's going to be a little bit wider towards this area. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to draw this curve around the eye. So same thing over here. So say about right here, just like the other side. And I'm going to start to draw my curve. So from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. And definitely turn your paper if you need to. And let's go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, so then now I can go up. So I'm just going to bring this curve up. And maybe about right here. And go up. So now I'm going to come to the area where I need to kind of draw her ear. So about right there, I'm going to stop and pop out this ear right here, round off the tip and bring it down. So as I bring it down, I'm just going to still imagine this going around. So it's going to stop about right here. Now to draw the other side, I have this beautiful bow I need to put right on top of her eye area. So I'm going to come say to the top of this eye right here. And in this area, imagining this curve going through, in this area I'm going to stop, and about right here I'll draw a heart. So come down, slant. So this heart is at a slant. If you're not comfortable drawing this heart, you can just draw like a big oval or a circle. So this heart for my center, and then I'm going to come out and draw the bow, which is kind of like another big heart that comes right into the smaller heart. So same thing over here. There. And then let's come in here and we're just going to draw a little curve for some detail. And then we can continue this curve. So just imagine coming through, and then about right here, it's going to come all the way through. And whatever space you have left, just finish this curve up. And then we're going to pop another ear over here. So about right here. I'm just going to drag this point across, make sure I'm about the same height. Round off the tip and bring it down. There. Make this a little wider. From there, let's go ahead and draw her whiskers. So let's come back to where her eyes are, and I'm just basically going to draw 3 whiskers right here that can pop out. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and thicken that up. And same thing over here. So kind of around where the eyes are. Put right here. And one more. Okay, now it's starting to look like Hello Kitty, right? So then let's come to the top and draw a crown for her because she is a princess. So right in the center area, I'm going to go ahead and draw this angle and just matching her head. So say about right here will pop out on the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and draw these curves right here. So center one, so much wider, and then come right back down. And then let's draw some circles on top of each point. And one more. And then let's draw a band here for some detail. It goes across. And I'm just going to decorate mine really simply by just putting a heart right here in the center. I think the original has stars and more complicated design at the top. But okay, now we're pretty much done with the head. So let's go ahead and start to draw the body. So I'm going to come right here centering it. Say about here and here. And I'm going to basically draw a curve that comes out. Slight curve. Then let's bring it down more. We're going to flare out her skirt. About right there. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. And the center is going to be lower. So you just want to keep that in mind as you come across. And now we're going to start to go up, just like the other side. And then we're going to put one more layer. So just follow that curve that you're drawing and do the same thing at the bottom. So the center part is lower and then we go back up. There. Now she has a pretty skirt in. And then for her legs right in the center, we're going to start her legs. So about right here and here. Soft curve and go ahead and just connect it. So same thing here. And then for her arms, we're just going to bring it to the side. So nice and simple once again. Just curve out and in. So same thing here. Curve out. And in. And then for some details, I decided to give her a little sleeve. So I'm just going to come right here and break this part up and add some ruffle right there. Why not, right? Spruce it up. Okay, and then let's give her a beautiful necklace. So I'm going to come right to the center and say about right here and here. I'm going to draw a heart for her necklace. And then I'm going to start off with a circle right on this corner. And another circle right here. And then connect it. There. And one last detail, we can put some circles right here if you like. Just to decorate her dress. One more. Oh, okay. So there, that is pretty much it for this Princess or Queen Hello Kitty. And I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.